So problem number 3, flexure analysis. Pero we're talking about here the weak axis. If not mentioned on the problem, so always assume na sa strong axis siya mag-bend. Sa code natin guys, we're going to look at the code. Okay, so ang bending lang dyan sa weak axis ay yung 506.6. Okay, so may mga line dyan yung line na yan, bending about certain axis. Strong axis yan. Strong dito. Pero pag nakaganyan class, madali siyang i-bend. Kasi maliit ang moment of inertia sa axis na yan eh. Yung radius of gyration, maliit din. So these are bending about the y-axis. So technically, for W section, we'll be using 506.6. So ano daw yung code, ano yung limit state natin? Yielding and flange local buckling. Flange local buckling. Walang lateral torsional. Kasi nyo, walang lateral torsional. Bakit? Kasi class, matigas na yan dito sa side na to. So, mahirap na siyang sirain. Hindi na magkakaroon ng bending yan sa axis na to. Okay, kasi yung load mo downward lang eh. Unlike na ganito class, pag nag-bend yan dito, okay, dahil weak yung y-axis, possible siya mag-bend din laterally. Okay, pero pagka ganito yung orientation mo, walang lateral torsional buckling. Yielding lang, tsaka flange local buckling. Okay. You don't have also to check the web slenderness. Hindi mo na rin check. Ito na lang check natin plus. The flange slenderness. Kasi, di ba, hindi naman applicable ang flange local buckling kung compact yung ating flange. So, gagamitin mo lang yung flange local buckling kung non-compact tsaka slender siya. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Yung 506.6. Basahin natin yung 506.6. 506.6. 506.6. Yan. For 506.6, tingnan nyo rin class yung formula ng yielding natin. FYZY. Kasi nga, yung bending na natin sa y-axis, kailangan natin yung, ano nga yung definition ng Z? The plastic section modulus, di ba? We solved this from the previous discussion. FYZX kailangan. And this value, the nominal moment due to the yielding, the plastic moment is FYZX. But that plastic moment should not exceed 1.6 FYSY. Okay? So, yung moment. Pero yung plastic moment, FYZY Then, for flange local buckling, for sections with compact flanges, the limit state of the yielding shaft shall apply. Okay. Yielding na lang daw ang gagamitin. Pagka compact flange. Hindi mo na solve to, yung flange. Yung sabi doon. Okay. So, ano-ano lang daw ba yung mga, kasi ito class, non-compact yan. Yung mga binanggit dito class. ASTM. Must have compact flanges. Sobrang konti lang class ng mga ano, na non-compact flanges doon ah, sa ating database. But anyway, you can solve naman kung compact or non-compact siya, no? Just solve the lambda. So, if non-compact yung flange, ito yung formula, parehas lang kanina nung nag-solve tayo. Okay? Sa previous problem. Pero, FYSX yun. FISX. Kung check yung class yung 506.3, may non-compact flange yun. 0.2. Ay, 0.2 sa point 3 akin. Puro SY, FYSY. Tapos, dito rin, pagka for slender flange, FCRSY, DSX. So, ayan na. So, medyo na iba lang yung konting formula, ginamit lang dito yung SY. Then, ZY. So, let's now try to solve this problem. Since this is bending about the minor axis or the weak axis. If not mentioned, always assume the bending on the major axis or stronger axis. The first thing to do is to check the flange slenderness or the width to thickness ratio. No need for that with solving the width to thickness ratio of the web. That is 0.38 square root of E over Fy. And then lambda R is this one. So, yeah. Answer. The flange is non-compact. So, non-compact siya. So, we have to solve the flange local buckling. Okay, anyway, ito lang pala ang kailangan natin ng properties for double dissection. Ito lang yung lambda. Okay, SY tsaka ZY. The rest, medyo unti yung kailangan mo na properties to dun sa W sector na bending about the minor axis. Yan lang, tatlo lang na to. Okay, let's compare. Ito yung lambda P. Anyway, we are going to use A992 and then the unsupported length. Braced only at the end. So, this is your unsupported length. Simply supported, 4,500. Braced only at the ends. So, ito po yung po na unless may brace din sa main span, so mahahati ito. So, the flange is non-compact. So, 506.6 non-compact. Hindi mo na kailangan hanapin to guys. So, sorry, this should be flange. Local buckling. Okay, flange local buckling. Okay, so first is yung yielding mo na class FYZY. That is your plastic moment. But the nominal moment should be less than this value. Okay, less than or equal to. So, solve muna natin yung FYZY in kilonewton meter. So, this should be times 10 raised to the So, MP FYZY times 10 raised to negative 6. That is 427.8. F1.6 FYSY. Okay, times 10 raised to negative 6. So, that will be in kilonewton meter. So far naman guys, hindi naman siya nag-exceed dun sa 1.6 FYSY. So, we'll still use 427 for the nominal moment in terms of yielding. In terms of flange local buckling, this is the formula. Okay, so since slender nga, sorry, non-compact nga siya, so itong gagamitin, non-compact. Kasi pagka compact, wala na tayong isosolve. Okay, pag non-compact, ito gagamitin. For slender, ito ko yung gagamitin. FCRS point. So, 427. 427.7 FYS, sorry, SY, times 10 raised to negative 6 na para ito ay maging in kilonewton meter. Lambda minus lambda P over lambda R over lambda P. M is 411.59. Okay, for just select the governing nominal moment, smaller of the yielding lang, no? And flange local buckling. As you can see, flange local buckling governs. So that's it. And then solve the LRFD and IST. It should be MN. Okay. Answers. Okay, so let's have another problem.